Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos.
Hello friend, this is Mandeep and you are watching High Technology TV. In this video, I will show you installation of SQL Server. So right now we are into Google Chrome. So let's enter SQL Server 2019. And here open this particular page, that is SQL Server 2019 Microsoft. And on this page you have a button that is download now, that is introducing SQL Server 2019. So just click on this, and here we have four options: one for Windows, second for Linux, third for Docker, and fourth one for big data analytics. So just click on the Windows, because here in this tutorial we are going to install it with Windows. So just click on it, and here click on preview SQL Server 2019 for Windows. Here just enter your details and just click on continue. And then click on continue, and it downloaded a exe file. So just go to there and then click on SQL Server vnext ssei eval file. And then click on download media, and here we are going to download the ISO file. So just download it, and our download is successful. So just open this folder, and here you can check that we have our ISO file. So just double click on it, and here you will find a file with name setup. So just double click on it, click on yes, and it will open our installation wizard. So here we have different tabs, but just click on installation and then click on new SQL Server standalone installation or add feature to an existing installation. And here specify that it is a free edition. Click on next, accept the license terms and agreement, click next, and now click on next. Now it is checking SQL Server product updates. If you want to skip it, you can skip here. So click on next. And here we have Windows firewall warning that we can ignore. So just click on next. And here on this page we have to select our features. So if you want to select all the features, you can select it, but here I am just selecting database services and SQL Server application and machine learning server. I'm selecting these. So select these and just click on next. And one more thing I want to add is that if you going to choose Polybase query service for external data, then you have to install JRE. So just click on install. And here you have to define the instance ID, that it should be a default instance or a named instance. In our case it is default one. So just click on next. And here you can do the server configuration part, that what service accounts it's going to use. So I am leaving it as default and click on next. And here you have to define the database engine configuration. So I'm going to install it in Windows authentication mode. If you want to install it on mixed mode, you can choose it. And here you can define your data directory, and here for the temp db, and here for the file stream. If you want to enable file stream, you can enable it here, but I'm leaving it. So just click on next. And for the Microsoft R open, you have to accept the agreement, and it is going to download the necessary prerequisite. Here you can check. Now click on next. And now we have to accept the agreement for the Python. It is also going to download necessary prerequisite. So just click on next. And this is the summary of our installation. So just click on install. And now it start our installation. So it's going to take a few minutes. So I'm just fast forwarding it. So meanwhile, let's download SQL Server Management Studio. So just download it. Go to Google and then enter SQL Server Management Studio. And here just click on the docs.microsoft.com, this one link. Scroll down a bit, and here you can check that SSMS is free and it is for 18.0 preview 4, that is for SQL Server Management Studio, and provides support for SQL Server 2009 preview. So download it and back to our installation. Just close it. Okay friends, so as you can see that our installation is succeeded. So here you can check, and here detail is installed successful. If you want to check the log file, you can check it here. It is placed here. So just close it. And now I am going to install our SQL Server Management Studio. So this is our SQL Server Management Studio installer file. So just double click on it. Click on yes. And now click on install. So right now it is loading packages and it's going to take a few minutes. So let's wait. Okay friends, so our installation is successful and now we have to restart in order to complete the setup. So let's restart our server. Okay, so after restart we are back to our system. So now let's connect to our SQL server. Okay, so let's click on connect. And we are successfully connected to our SQL server. So now click on new query and enter select @ version and just execute it. And here you can find out that our SQL server name is Microsoft SQL Server vNext CTP 2.0. So this is the version of our SQL server. and here you can check it out. So okay friends, thank you for watching. If you guys have any question, you can ask me below in the comment section. I will answer your query and questions.